好。台湾人很喜欢听完以后默默的做，然后我再呈现结果。外国人的话，他会让你知道说我有在认真听，所以你的感觉就会很好。So we're gonna talk about asking the right question and active listening skill. 我们很难去抓每一种不同的口音，但是我们其实可以控制的是，我可以问对问题。If you cannot catch what the person is saying, you can actually ask the right question for encouraging details, for seeking specifics, or for requesting examples. 如果是 encouraging details, okay, can you explain more about? Or you can say, could you elaborate on? And could you provide more detailed explanation about ... 不要讲 pardon me. Could you repeat that? Or I didn't catch that. If the person spent like 20 minutes talking about something, means that please repeat that 20 minutes again. So you can say, when you mention ... could you elaborate on that? Okay, can you provide more detail on that second point that you mentioned? And next one, seeking for specifics. Can you tell me what you mean by? Okay, would you mind clarifying something? Okay, or would you mind explaining in more detail what ... refers to? 所以你听到一个不懂的单字，比方说 British people, they would say schedule. Okay, and somehow you don't know that accent, right? So you can say, can you tell me what you mean by schedule? And they would say, oh, American accent is schedule. 他就知道说I lost you there, so I will provide the same information again. So the last one, requesting examples or evidence. 如果有人说 okay, we have product issue, can you give me an example or can you give me the time frame of when this issue occurred? 所以那个问题你要问的比较精准一点的。And next one is may I have the specific examples of ... 最后一个是 is there a case you could share that highlights ... Okay, this part is to give you some ideas that if you don't understand, you need to find a good question to ask. So what we're doing is identify the right question. All right, so let's try this.
We've noticed some inefficiencies in our current operational processes.
Okay, which one provides more in-depth understanding of inefficiency? 这些问题都不是坏的问题，但是哪一个可以让你知道更多 inefficiency? B. Z means that you don't understand the term used in the context. And D, how does this inefficiency affect your overall operation? 我觉得这是在下一个问题。And A is also the later question. So after the person explained, and then you can ask any example, any impact. Okay, so the first question that we can ask is like, can you tell me more about this inefficiency? Okay, and the last part is active listening. 如果你的工作需要有 client relationship, 你一定要把 active listening 做好。台湾人很喜欢听完以后默默的做，然后我再呈现结果。外国人的话，他会让你知道说我有在认真听，所以你的感觉就会很好。Okay, you need to show 3 steps. Acknowledge. I see your point. I understand your concern. Okay, that sounds serious. Okay, 所以可以让人家知道说我有在听。Number 2 is paraphrasing. 换句话说。Paraphrase 不是自己的理解的结论 ，Paraphrase 只是把他的话换另外一种方式去表达，确定我这样理解对不对 ？Okay, so you are saying that ... Step 3 is a recommend. How about ... I recommend and let's ... 所以 active listening 其实是 advanced listening skill. 我听完以后我要有一个 output. Okay, so the last exercise, you need to listen, confirm, respond. Identify the right questions. Ready?
We've noticed some issues with the financial reports that might affect our quarterly results.
哪一个是最好的答案 B is correct, okay? Remember, don't jump to conclusion. A is jumping to the conclusion. So these issues are affecting your result. This is like kind of like drawing the conclusion, okay? Just to wrap up this quick training. Asking the right question, okay? So you need to seek specific, encourage details, and for requesting examples or evidence. And the final one, demonstrate, always demonstrate active listening because this can help the person understand that you are paying attention and they will think that you respect them and they will like you more. So in those listening situations, always show active listening, okay?